In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement Microsoft Word best practices for consistency, efficiency, and collaboration. Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's start with structure and consistency, because that's the foundation of every solid document. Instead of manually formatting each heading or paragraph, rely on styles from the Home tab. Apply normal for body text and use heading 1, heading 2, and so on for your hierarchy. This not only keeps formatting consistent across the entire document, it also powers the navigation pane for quick jumps between sections and lets you generate a table of contents automatically. Once styles are in place, head to the Design tab to switch the entire font theme and color palette in one click, keeping branding consistent without touching every paragraph. Avoid using the spacebar for layout. For indentation, use the Tab key or set first line and left indents in paragraph settings. For vertical spacing, adjust spacing before and after paragraphs instead of pressing Enter multiple times. This prevents alignment issues and makes edits far easier later. Next, let's talk file management and collaboration. Adopt a clear file naming convention, such as project name _ document title _YYYYMMDD _V1, so versions are easy to identify at a glance. Save your document to OneDrive or SharePoint. That unlocks autosave, version history, and real-time co-authoring, which means fewer lost changes and smoother teamwork. When collaborating, turn on track changes from the Review tab. Every insertion, deletion, and formatting tweak is recorded and can be formally accepted or rejected by the document owner, ensuring edits are transparent and controlled. For efficiency and layout, use section breaks only when needed to change formatting within the same document, like margins, columns, or different headers and footers. Choose next page or continuous from layout, breaks, depending on whether you need a new page. For information that changes, such as dates, page numbers, or the author's name, insert fields instead of typing them manually. Go to Insert, Quick Parts, field to add dynamic, self-updating content that stays accurate. And when formatting gets tricky, toggle Show, Hide with Ctrl+Shift+8 to reveal tabs, paragraph marks, and spaces. Seeing those hidden characters makes diagnosing layout problems much faster. Before you finalize, run the accessibility checker under File, Info, check for issues. It flags missing alt text, problematic color contrast, and more. Finally, right-click each image and add descriptive alt text so screen readers can convey visuals to all readers. Follow these practices, and your Word documents will be cleaner, more consistent, and far easier to maintain and collaborate on. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.